Yo, how do you get the rice on? Shit's kind of hard. Oh, it smells like real sushi. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. Okay, sounds good. I am back. Cool, cool. Oh my fucking god. It's actually terrible. Holy shit. Okay. I'm just adding a little rice. Oh, fuck. I think I added too much rice. Oh, fuck. Maybe gloves were not the play. This at least. Okay, I'm just gonna try squishing the seaweed. Oh fuck. Damn, this is too much rice. Oh fuck. This shit. Oh shit. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. And then I just add avocados. Add some cucumbers. There you go. And then some baked crab. That's frozen, but it's okay. Okay, there you go. There we go. All right, let's try this. So now I just roll it. I just roll it? Oh, fuck. Hey, not bad. Look at it. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's kind of giant, but it's not bad. It's not bad. It's kind of like a taco. I'm gonna give it a buy. I'm gonna give it a buy. I mean, taste test. We're gonna make a skinnier next one. This one's a little bit big. But the ingredients taste good. The rice is actually the best part. I know it's the rice. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's do this again. But this time I'm making the ingredients smaller. Let's see. Okay. What am I missing? Almost stupid? Yes. Okay. Seaweed. Goes here. And then I think the rice is too mushy. I don't know how to get it evenly distributed. Okay. Try this. Get off the spoon! Fuck, dude. Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay. So much rice. Okay. Oh fuck, that's way too much rice. Wow, this is a lot harder than I thought it was. How do chefs make it not stick to the rice? I just want it to stick to the... Fuck. Oh! Oh! Wait! Am I supposed to water my hands? Hold on. Hold on. I'm supposed to water my hands, I think. It made it like unsticky. Hold on. What if I did this? Hold on. Oh my god. It's way easier. Holy shit. That's what I should have been doing the first time. Because it doesn't stick to your hands. Hold on. Here we go. Okay, the rice is kind of squished up now, but it's okay. It's not bad. Okay. And then I'm gonna make the ingredients a little bit smaller. I'm gonna cut it really quick. Let's try this. This is already pretty thin, but I'm gonna cut it even thinner. I'll cut it in half. For now, this. And then. Oh, shit. Okay. This is super thin now. Should be good. Let's try this. Maybe even thinner. I'm gonna try this. Okay, so one here. One here. We'll cut this avocado up. Hold on. Yeah, it's a lot of rice. Hold on, I can't show you. I'll show you in a second. Oh, fuck. But there is a lot of rice on this. Okay, avocado, and then the crab meat, which is over here. Yeah, it really is. I think I shouldn't have put so much. But we'll do better next one. This is the reason why we have multiple rolls. Okay. Oh my gosh. I wonder why they sell it frozen. Like, do they defrost it? Do they microwave it? Oh, I'm supposed to add mayo. I'm supposed to add mayo to this. Fuck, dude, I'm supposed to add mayo. Oh, shit. Next one. Multiple tries. Okay. 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 Wait, how do I get it so it overlaps into there? This. You put rice outside of the California roll. Oh, that's true. You're totally right. I think it's good. Let's see it now. Oh, this one's better. This one's actually way better though. Kind of. It needs a little work. But it ain't half bad. It ain't half bad. Dad, your water's boiling. Dad, your water's boiling. What do you want in it? Okay. So here it is. I'll cut it. That's how we make it look nice. Hold on. Other side. Wait, why does it not hold? There you go. Avocado roll, I guess. It's not bad. It is not bad. Deconstructed sushi. Not bad. I wish. Oh, the crab meat fell out. Hold on. Oh no, the crab meat's still in there. The crab meat's still in there. Hold on. Let me show you guys. Here's how it looks. Not bad. It's not bad for a homemade California roll. It's not bad. I do need to mayo the crab though. I'm just gonna finish the roll and then we'll finish. We'll keep going. But I think I need to mayo the crab meat because it doesn't taste very good. I also think I need to make it warm, but I'm not sure how I'm supposed to do that. Look at it. Looks pretty clean. I guess I can't show you. But, oh! Fuck, it fell out. You have to sharpen that knife too, yeah. Yeah, this is not a very sharp knife. So it's hard to cut things. That's it. Alright, I'm gonna go make the mayo crab meat now. I'm gonna finish the roll though. I'm not gonna lie, the best part of the sushi is the rice. The rice is actually good. That's it. That's all I got. We're gonna mayo. 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 Mayo, mayo. Mayo. I'm starting to think we don't have any mayo. Lovely. Okay. Huh? Wire knife, it'll be easier to cut. Okay. So next one, we're actually gonna make a real California roll. By real, I mean we're gonna put the rice on the outside. Try it. Here you go. So, let's see. So here. Okay, not too much rice. I'm gonna wipe my hands. And we're just gonna take some rice. A small ball. Small ball of rice. Like that. That's all we need. That's all the rice we need. We're just gonna spread it out. It's kind of mushy. Maybe a little bit more rice, but not too much. You know, less is better. Okay. Holy shit. There you go. Okay, it's pretty good. Next we flip it over, I think. Oh, I need some ram wrap. Okay. Hold up. Okay. So, how are we gonna do this? This will go here. This will go here. And I put the rice underneath. This should be enough rice, right, guys? Yeah, looks like enough. Okay. So face down like a patty. There we go. And then now, here's out our shit. Wait, fucking good. Here's the... Okay. So that. And then rice. There you go. And then some just get one. Okay. 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 Not bad. That's good. Not bad. Never mind. This is pretty bad. Oh shit. This is pretty bad. Okay, never mind. We will not do it the normal California way. It kind of just fell apart. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Yeah, this did not work out. I don't think I had enough rice. Fireworks. Just like that. That was a little bit of rice. Okay, this is basically it. Oh, fuck. Well, bonus time. Okay, one last try, and then I'm gonna unstream. Fuck, dude. I don't know. It's actually kind of hard. I have no idea why. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're not gonna do it that way, the way I was doing it before. Okay. There we go. This one should be good. Oh shit, bro. Holy shit. Okay, that should be good. And then, oh my gosh. This is actually so much harder than doing it normally, dude. Okay. Goat and crabfish. Crab meat. This is not. All right, this is okay. Oh fuck! I just did it the wrong way. There you go. Dude, I don't know. Maybe sushi's actually harder than I thought. Fuck. The problem is the saran wrap is kind of fucking with the sushi. Like I can't wrap it nicely, you know. Alright, this is good enough. I'm out. Fuck, dude. See you later. I'm gonna go. Fuck, dude. Sushi's hard. That's a conclusion. It was okay. The rice is good. This is harder than it looks. I'm gonna go. Bye.